In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to turn on in-app vibrate mode in Telegram. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. To begin, open the Telegram app on your mobile device and ensure you're logged into your account. Once inside, tap the three horizontal lines in the top left corner of the screen to access the main menu. From the menu, locate and tap on Settings to proceed. Inside the Settings menu, scroll down until you find the Notifications and Sounds option and select it. Within the Notifications and Sounds section, look for the In-App Vibrate option. By default, this feature is turned off. To activate it, simply tap the toggle switch next to In-App Vibrate. Once enabled, your phone will vibrate for notifications while you're actively using Telegram, making it easier to stay updated without relying solely on sound alerts. And that's it. You've successfully turned on in-app vibrate mode in Telegram. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.